Here we will read something about the reaction with water. We are taking the examples of metal which will react with water vapor. For this purpose we have settled a diagram. In this diagram you can observe that we have taken a burner. After setting the burner, we have taken one big test tube with cork and passing tube is there. Here glass wool we have taken which is soaked in water. When this glass wool is heated, what will happen? Steam will form. This steam will react with metal sample and there will be formation of hydrogen gas. You got it? Again, a simple setup of experiment. When burner is started, then glass wool will that is soaked in water. It will prepare steam and this steam will react with metal. Now, here the example which are treating with the steam, that is iron, aluminium. So, I am taking the example. Again reaction with the steam, that is iron, aluminium, zinc. Iron plus water. Famous reaction it is steam. There will be formation of Fe3O4 and hydrogen gas. I think you can balance now. Now we will read another type of reaction. Reaction with acid. Third property is reaction with acid. Simple reaction like sodium, zinc, when treated with HCl, there will be formation of ZnCl2 and hydrogen gas will be created. Okay. Now the another metal, that is aluminium. When treated with acid, either H2SO4 or HCl, there will be formation of AlCl3 and hydrogen gas. Here three to the 6 chlorine, twice aluminium and 3 hydrogen. It is balanced. Zinc, aluminium or the metals which are placed above the hydrogen in reactivity series, they will displace hydrogen from acid and there will be formation of respective salt and hydrogen. The same in the cube, that is sodium metal when dropped in acid. For example, this time I am taking H2SO4. There will be formation of Na2SO4 along with bubbles of hydrogen gas will appear. So, in such manner, salt. The general name that when acid is treated with zinc or aluminium or sodium, potassium or any of the metal, most reactive metal, then hydrogen, there will be formation of salt and hydrogen gas. Okay. Now, some more detail about these two metals. These two metals are very special. They are liberating hydrogen gas with acid. They will liberate hydrogen gas with base. These metals are known as amphoteric metals. Some more about amphoteric metal. Aluminium when treated with NaOH, only NaOH and heated. Heat is compulsory here. There will be formation of NaAlO2 plus hydrogen gas. In the same manner, zinc when treated with NaOH. Again, heating is compulsory. This particular reaction you have to perform in the laboratory, or you will see the demonstration. So here Na2ZnO2 along with hydrogen. This one is sodium aluminate. This one is sodium zincate from 9th standard, you know. Now, here this whole detail about aluminium metal and zinc metal. Even you can note down that amphoteric behavior of metal, aluminium and zinc. It means these metals are treated with acid and liberate hydrogen gas. These metals are treated with base but on heating and liberation of hydrogen gas. Got it? So these particular reactions are so popular which will prove the amphoteric nature of these two metals. And here also base, strictly you have to take NaOH according to the requirement of your syllabus. Okay. Now next reaction in the queue. The fourth property, reaction with metal salt solution. The rule of this metal salt solution, you know that from previous, that iron nail is dropped in copper sulfate, there will be formation of FeSO4 from Cu. 100 times you have studied this reaction. You can take help of the reactivity series. I'll ask few questions and you have to write the answer for this particular part. Your rule that more reactive metal will displace less reactive metal from the solution. Okay, so I am giving blank place for you. Please complete in the notes. Here color change, pale yellow, and earlier solution color was blue. This one is of grey color, and after the reaction you will find reddish brown color. In the same manner, copper is treated with aluminium sulfate. Please write the salt by knowing valency. Any of the salt you cannot write. In such manner you have to write the full detail.